How a single woman earned $1 million in a year. Welcome to Speak in English. Today, I have a story that will inspire you. One that shows how with determination, a positive mindset, and the right actions, anything is possible. I'm sure you've heard this quote by Franklin D. Roosevelt: "The only limit to our realization of tomorrow is our doubts of today." Well, today's story is about a single woman who managed to earn $1 million in just 1 year. It sounds like something from a dream, doesn't it? But it's real. And in this story, I'm going to share how she did it, step by step. If you've ever wondered if it's possible to turn your dreams into reality, this is the story you don't want to miss. Stay tuned as we dive into this amazing journey. Let me introduce you to Sarah, a 32-year-old single mom living in Atlanta, Georgia. Like many of us, Sarah had dreams of financial freedom and independence. She was working full-time in marketing and, despite her hard work, she was barely making ends meet. After paying for bills, childcare, and all the other expenses that come with raising children, there was hardly anything left. Sarah was living paycheck to paycheck, and she knew it couldn't go on like this. Sarah had a vision. She wanted to be able to provide for her children without constantly worrying about money. She dreamed of having the freedom to build something for herself, something that would change her life and the life of her family. But she had no idea how to make it happen. One day, while scrolling through social media, Sarah saw a post about women entrepreneurs who were building successful online businesses. That was the moment that sparked her decision. She thought to herself, if they can do it, why can't I? From that day forward, Sarah made a promise to herself. She was going to take control of her life, chase her dreams, and make her vision a reality. Sarah knew that to make her dreams come true, she would need to learn how to build a business. So, she began researching. Every evening, after putting her children to bed, Sarah would sit down with her laptop and dive into the world of online business. She researched e-commerce platforms, affiliate marketing, digital products, and everything related to starting an online business. Sarah quickly realized that success wasn't going to happen overnight. It was going to take hard work, long hours, and learning new skills. But she was ready for the challenge. She found her niche, products that would help busy parents like herself. Sarah understood the struggles of managing family life, so she focused on creating products that could make life easier for other parents. Meal prep tools, time-saving gadgets, and organizational products. This wasn't just a business to her. It was something personal. She decided to create an online store to sell these products. However, instead of launching a generic store, she focused on making her brand personal and relatable. She knew that her story as a single mom would resonate with her target audience. Building a brand was Sarah's next challenge. She knew that branding was key to standing out in a crowded market. So, she worked with a designer to create a logo, design her website, and craft a compelling brand story. Sarah's story wasn't just about selling products. It was about helping others, especially other single moms, live easier, more organized lives. She wanted her store to reflect her personality and mission. Her brand was about more than just products. It was about offering solutions to real problems. She worked hard to perfect her website, from product listings to customer experience, ensuring everything was smooth for her customers. Despite being nervous, Sarah pushed forward because she believed in her mission. Once Sarah's online store was live, the next big challenge was marketing. She knew that to grow, she had to reach potential customers. So, she got to work on social media. She posted regularly on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest, telling her story and sharing the products she was selling. But Sarah didn't stop there. She knew the importance of reaching a larger audience, so she also ran paid Facebook ads targeting parents who would benefit from her products. Her investment in paid ads was essential to getting the word out. In the beginning, sales were slow, but Sarah didn't give up. She kept adjusting her ads, improving her website, and refining her marketing strategy. Slowly but surely, things started to pick up. Word of mouth spread, and before she knew it, her customer base grew. In the first month, Sarah made $5,000 in sales. By the third month, she was earning $10,000 per month. And by the end of the year, Sarah had earned $1 million in revenue. Her dream had become a reality. After reaching $1 million in sales, Sarah knew it was time to take things to the next level. She hired a small team to help with customer service, marketing, and inventory management. She also expanded her product line to offer even more items that would appeal to her growing customer base. But Sarah didn't stop there. She reinvested the profits into her business, working with influencers to expand her reach and continuously working on improving her brand presence. Within just 1 year, Sarah's business became a movement, inspiring countless parents, especially single moms, to take control of their lives and feel empowered. Her business continued to grow rapidly, with products flying off the shelves and her brand becoming a household name. Looking back, Sarah realizes that her success wasn't just about having a great idea. It was about resilience. Throughout her journey, Sarah faced numerous challenges, moments when she felt overwhelmed and uncertain about her next step. There were times when things didn't go as planned, but Sarah never gave up. She learned that success isn't about avoiding failure. It's about learning from those failures and adapting. As Winston Churchill once said, "Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts." Sarah's resilience was the key to her success. She kept pushing forward, even when the odds seemed stacked against her. Now, it's your turn. Are you ready to take control of your life and create your own opportunities? Sarah's story proves that with hard work, persistence, and a clear vision, anything is possible. You don't have to wait for the perfect moment. You just need to take that first step. If Sarah's story inspired you, take action today. Believe in yourself and start working towards your goals. Who knows? You might just be the next success story. Thank you for watching. If you found this story motivating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Speak in English for more inspiring content. Start today and take that first step towards your dreams.